This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hi and good morning on a Wednesday. I'm Nick CILETTI here with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. Powerful and historic moments as a World War II veteran gets the COVID vaccine. The Phoenix VA sharing video of the 94-year-old veteran. He's the first vet of any era to get this vaccine. Healthcare workers on the front lines are also getting vaccinated. We spoke with an ICU nurse who works at the VA about how this will be an extra layer of protection.
In March, you weren't sure if your equipment was going to protect you, but over the months, you didn't get sick and you were doing what they told you to do and wearing the protective equipment. You didn't get sick, so this is just one more thing that this helped.
The VA has a plan for who will get the vaccine first. This includes frontline workers and veterans living inside their congregate care facilities and those who are at high risk. But while the vaccination efforts are happening, the hospitals are still filling up and ICU beds are becoming increasingly scarce across the state. Valleywise Health confirming with us their ICU hit 100% capacity yesterday, and they had to find additional places to put ICU patients. In PIMA County, there were just 10 available ICU beds earlier this week. The former head of our state's Department of Health Services says hospitals will likely hit a dire metric called crisis standards of care.
As you progress towards crisis standards of care, which is where I think we'll be around Christmas to New Year's time, then you're actually doing actual triage with patients and saying, look, we just don't have the staffing for this patient, and we have to compare this patient to our other patients, and do it's a grading scale, basically.
According to our state's coronavirus dashboard, 9% of ICU beds remain available across the state, or 154 of them. Pima County's first night of mandatory curfew just ending about 35 minutes ago. People are being told to stay inside from 10 until 5 a.m. The Board of Supervisors says this will likely stay in place until the average weekly number of COVID cases in the county falls below 100 per 100,000 residents. Right now, it's near 1,300. Christmas is next week and New Year's the following week, and health experts are reiterating you will need to double down on safety measures to slow the spread of COVID.
If people interpret the vaccine being here as an opportunity to lower their guard, then unfortunately we're going to see more sorrow and death, and those are all preventable.
The CDC says celebrating the holiday virtually or with people you love will possess the lowest risk for spread. If you're having a small gathering, the CDC recommends limiting the number of people, hosting it outside, and having extra supplies available like masks and hand sanitizer.
I would really push people to do everything possible to try to keep your distance, and if you can't, wear your face coverings all the time that you're not eating.
Well, if you travel, the CDC says testing does not eliminate all the risk, but it can help make travel safer. However, the safest thing to do is stay at home. AAA is projecting a nearly 30% drop in Christmas travel this year. They're expecting about 34 million less residents will travel from December 23rd to January 3rd compared to 2019. Those numbers show many Americans may be listening to advice from the CDC not to travel over the holidays. Walmart is announcing it's not too late to order your holiday gifts. You have until Saturday at 2 p.m. local time to qualify for free shipping, and December 21st is the deadline for free next day shipping.
Time now for that most accurate forecast. Look for a sunny and mild Wednesday with temperatures back near normal. After today, though, clouds begin to move in tonight ahead of a storm system that's moving through northern Arizona on Friday. We may see some snow showers up near northern Arizona, right along that Utah border, the Kaibat Plateau, but very light snow showers, not expecting much in terms of accumulation. And for the valley, we'll stay dry. That cold front will swing in, maybe bringing a little bit of virga, that rain that evaporates before it's the ground. But outside of that, we are looking at dry conditions and cooler air moves in behind that cold front Friday. We still could see a few snow showers in northern Arizona on Friday. Again, not expecting very high accumulations with this storm system. And for the valley, still looking dry, but a little cooler on Friday. We'll reach 65 today, 67 tomorrow, then back to 65 on Friday. Things start to warm up, though. High pressure builds in, and we'll see upper 60s for highs on Saturday. We're back to 70 on Sunday. And next week, we're kicking off Christmas week with highs in the low 70s.
For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, go to ABC15.com or download our free ABC15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.